In this video, you are going to learn how to add a gradient stroke to the text in After Effects. In simple words, a gradient stroke means applying multiple colors as a stroke to the text or any other object. So follow along with me to avoid any confusions or errors. So let's get started. After creating a text layer, add a stroke to it by going to the Properties panel. Next, duplicate this text layer. Now for the top layer, disable the stroke option. Next, for the bottom layer, disable the fill option. Now go to the effects panel and search for 4-color gradient. Drag and drop this effect onto the bottom text layer where only stroke is enabled. Now you can play with any colors you like. You can also use anchor points to change the behavior of the colors. After Effects doesn't have an inbuilt feature to add linear or radial gradient strokes like in Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop. I think they'll add this feature to this software as well in the coming days. That's it guys, this is how you can add a gradient stroke to the text in After Effects. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more Premiere Pro, After Effects, YouTube growth related tips and trick videos.